Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remap any controller button on your Xbox Series X or S. Now, on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and then go to Settings. Then go on down to Devices and Connections and go to Controllers and Headsets. Then under here, choose your controller. So I have my Elite controller and then my regular Xbox wireless controller. Let's go to where it says Configure. Then you can see your profile, go to the right, and then go to the Edit option right here. Then it says choose a button to map or press and hold a button. So you can choose the button right here, and then you can choose a remap button. So we can go to like Y or something like that. Otherwise, you can hold down a button. So if I hold down the left D-pad button, it's going to bring me to this screen where I can go ahead and select another button. So let's remap it to the right D-pad button. So it's going to indicate on the right side of the screen the buttons you just went ahead and remapped to. Then also you have options like swap sticks, invert the Y-axis, and then we have swap triggers, and then turn on or off the vibrations. So just hold down a button under this screen and you can easily remap anything and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.